Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out two new products from Ulta Beauty, the new foundation and the new concealer. So I like to just dive right into these videos, and if you want to see my opinions on it, then keep on watching. Okay, I got like a half hour here because it's UC day. Or wait, it's UC day. UC #1, baby. So I'm trying to hurry here. I bought both of these off of the Ulta Beauty website, and the foundation looks like this. This is the Light Illusion Liquid Foundation, and it retails for $13.99. There are 12 shades, and it says that it has buildable coverage. It's a breakthrough foundation that achieves the impossible, providing you with coverage that has a desire to smooth and perfect while imparting your skin with the most flattering luminosity possible. That makes me nervous because I have oily skin. Weightless nude feel, imperfections and uneven skin tone are diminished, only flawless, smooth, and incredibly natural complexion is revealed. So let's go ahead and put this on my face. I've already washed, moisturized, and primed. The other thing about this foundation, it says it's an all-day wear with an SPF of 18, which I think is amazing. But a lot of foundations that have sunscreen in it, it can make me really oily or give flashbacks, so we shall see. I think the packaging is really cute. It's in a really nice sleek glass bottle with a pump. Use a pump, use a pump. I like using a pump. I figured I would change up the backdrop and put some flowers, put some flowers back there. It's Ulta Beauty. Trying to put flowers in here. You get it? Get what I was doing there? Smell what I'm stepping in? So the shade I got is in Nude L3. Bought it online. That is one pump. I like to see what one pump will give me. It looks very skin-like. I can still see all my freckles. I thought the color was going to be way worse when I got it out of the box, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. I've had worse. All right, let's do another pump. I'm using just a beauty blender today and no brush because my brush is dirty as. It doesn't really feel like I have anything on my face. It just looks like my skin, but better. I like that. So moving on to the concealer, I already took it out of the package. This is the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. It's a weightless formula for second skin fill, crease proof. Okay. Soft, focused, blurring concealer with high performance coverage. Instantly diminishes appearance of imperfection, fine lines, and signs of fatigue for a flawless, luminous look. Calm and reduce puffiness with an infusion of aloe and chamomile extract. Added boost of caffeine firms up and gives targeted areas a boost of antioxidants. So this concealer retails for $9.99 on the Ulta Beauty website, and there are only 6 shades. This is the lightest shade that they have. This is fair, and that still looks pretty dark in my opinion. That's a lot of product on this. Let me see if you can see that. There's a lot of product for just coming out there with one little, that's like one little dippy-do in there, you know? Okay. All right then. Daggone. Okay. I don't know if I'll. Let's try this eye. I haven't even dipped back in yet. Holy cajolies. All right. Wow. That is some. All right. That is some full coverage. Foul show. I don't know if I'm crazy about this color. I'm gonna deal with it obviously for now, but not crazy about that color. Oh dang, that took like no time to blend out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set this so that I do not crease. I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Let me go ahead and give you a time check. It is currently 12:27. As of right now, I'm not crazy about what it's doing under my eyes, but I haven't set my face with any setting spray yet or anything like that, so I can't totally judge it right off the bat, obviously. The color's not terrible, at least in person. I don't know what it's doing, you know, how it's coming off on camera. I feel like I have some dry patches, which is really weird for me since I have oily skin. Like my nose looks really dry for some reason. I don't even know if the camera would pick that up. So let me see what y'all think with a little bit of a close-up here. But it doesn't look, I've had worse, so and you know, you can't really judge anything right off the bat. I've only had this on maybe 10 minutes tops. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera. Same routine as always with these reviews, and then have another check-in in about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours before I have to go bowling tonight, and then come back after bowling and do another check-in. So I will see you in about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so I am back, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you a time check. It is 4:49.
You see one, 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 you see one.
Still number 1 at the moment. We play tomorrow. Let's see what happens then. But onto the foundation. So I am at the 4.5 hour mark. Let me get my voice together. So when I was looking back at the footage, I felt like it was lighter, like the foundation was lighter than matching my neck, matching the self-tan on my neck. But that's an easy fix just with some powder. I was wearing a hat, so after I did my makeup and everything off camera, I went and put a UC hat on, then we went out and had chicken wings and watched the game or whatnot. I hope that didn't affect my forehead. I really don't think it did, because it doesn't even look like anything's like rubbed off or wiped off or anything. I'm not dry looking now. When I was, or after I put the powder on earlier, I felt like my face just looked really dry. After setting spray, that all went away. It looks way better after setting spray. I'm having the slightest, and I mean the slightest, oil and breaking up a little bit on the sides of my nose. But honestly, not too bad. My chin looks okay. My forehead, like, I'm not really oily, which is a really, really good sign. I kept my highlight just right here. Just so we would know what's highlight and what is oil, obviously. Overall, right now, not looking too bad. I'm impressed. I like it. It's pretty. It still has that glow to it without being oily. So I'm all for that. I don't think I'm going to do any touch-ups, just so we can see what happens after I get back from bowling. So I will be back maybe around 10 or 11 o'clock and give you my final check-in and my final thoughts. Okay, so I am back from my final check-in, and it is 11 o'clock. I'm definitely oily, but nothing that I'm not used to. I cannot believe I've had this foundation and concealer on going on 12 hours. We're going on 11 hours. I never wear makeup this long, ever. Like, I'm getting so antsy to take it off. Dang, my eyebrows are a little crazy today. It's gotten to my wrinkles, my forehead wrinkles, usual, nothing shocking there. I'm definitely oily around my nose, as you can probably see. My chin, it's completely rubbed off, and the camera probably is not going to pick that up. But literally from here all the way around here, it's completely gone. So I don't know what's up with that. It's definitely oily. But I really, like, I've had so much worse than this. So to me, this isn't even that bad. Even though it's not great, but with no touch-ups, that's I think what people need to take in consideration if somebody does touch-ups in review videos, whereas some people don't. For no touch-ups and almost at 11 hours, this is not bad. Think about it. Take that in consideration. I'm really impressed with the concealer. The color at first was a little weird to me. I don't know I don't know, the color's just really odd to me, but I really don't have that much creasing. It's wore very, very good. I really think the concealer did everything that its claims were. The foundation has left that beautiful luminosity, so I am thoroughly impressed with that. It did not oxidize on me, which is a plus. I do want to do a flash test. There is no flashback with this foundation, which is an A+ for me. So overall, I am very happy with these two products. I wish the shade range with, I think there's 12 shades in the foundation, obviously that could be expanded, which would be awesome, especially with only 6 shades of the concealer and this being the lightest one. That would be awesome if they came out with more shade ranges with both of these products. But overall, these two products are awesome. I think the foundation is 14 bucks, the concealer is like 10 bucks. They're very affordable from the drugstore, and I think they're very good products. So I give them 2 thumbs up. I would definitely be using them. I am tired and ready for bed, ready to get this off my face. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.